Hi everybody, it's Luke. Today I'm going to show you how to create a February dump on an Instagram story. It's easy, you just need to have Instagram installed. And now we can open it. Let's click on search button on bottom down. In search bar we will type Moonsoul Design. It's an Instagram profile that creates its own original dummy. We click on their story. And there is a February dump. And here it is. We click to add yours, and now we just choose whatever layout we want, and we choose the photos we want. So we click on the photos in the bottom left, and that way we can add a photo we want to each window one by one. If you want, you can add some effects to the photos. And that pretty much is for this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe.